You hear that? That's nature telling you to get outside. Get outside. Do you know nature can heal you, can soothe you, relax you, calm your nervous system by just being outside, hearing and feeling, surrounding yourself with this natural frequency of calmness, abundance, peace, by just sitting in nature, by just sitting outside, by just looking at the trees, hearing the birds. Get in nature. I'm telling you, it'll calm your nervous system. It'll help you de-stress, especially grounding, putting your feet on the earth, your bare feet. Your bare feet. Put your bare feet on the earth. And if you can't get outside as much, it's cool. Play some nature frequencies on your phone. Play on YouTube. Go on YouTube and look up rain sounds, nature frequencies and vibrations. Just check it out and just see how much it calms you. That's what it's supposed to do.